But I have an unboxing to do, and I thought I would do it on camera. I don't do very many unboxings on camera because I feel awkward, and it's hard to cut and edit that footage because you just have to take the way it is. I'm really nervous and excited all at the same time, because that's what a surprise unboxing is. It's a surprise. Oh, look at this. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Oh, I love wax seals. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's got feathers. I love feathers. I love birds. I'm a bird person. I love birds. Okay. Inside this package, you will find items I have selected for the CosTube stash swap. Without wishing to say too much, these called out to me, and they called out and said, "Ankharet, you are an original." I hope you find these items useful or at least interesting. My love to you and your whole gang. Yours, etc. Thank you so much. That's so cute. I love that. I love that it's wrapped in string and tissue paper. This is awesome. Okay. I'm going to cut the string. If you cut it near the knot, you can reuse it, right? Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness. That's a tiny one here. Oh, there's little things in here. Ooh, wooden buttons. Oh, and they're different kinds. Look, wooden buttons. I love wooden buttons. Wooden buttons are amazing. Ooh, embroidery floss. Wildflower. Cotton. Oh, this is that variegated cotton stuff. I love that stuff. This is amazing. Ooh, and different colors. Orange and gold and, oh, beautiful colors. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, wonderful. I love this green. I love green. That's amazing. Thank you. Ooh. Fabric. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, they're huge flowers. Oh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, just magnificent. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much. Stash swap is amazing. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know what somebody has in their swap or in their stash to swap, and this is amazing. Thank you so much. So go check out my friend's channel. I'm gonna link it somewhere here below in the description somewhere. You should definitely go check out her channel. She is amazing. I will talk to y'all later.